Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to make the financial goal reaching calculator by taking the scenario of initial investment. Okay, that is, we will learn how to calculate the value of initial investment based on the other available financial informations. Right? It is important to calculate the initial investment when the value of this parameter is unknown to get the certain future value. Okay, and let me tell you one thing, this video is the copy of our first video of this series. If you have not watched that, then please watch that video by clicking on the I button. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, here in this sheet we have a question, that is, how much initial investment is needed to reach your financial goal of $1 million. So to give the answer of these questions, we have to calculate the present value, that is initial investment, based on this information. Alright, and the support information, that is this one. Okay, and we already know that how to calculate these things and these things and these things. Okay, in the first video of this series. That's why I recommend you please watch the first video of this series to know about this section. In this video we will only focus on this point. Okay, so for this let's calculate it. So it can be calculated by using the PV function in Excel. Okay, so press the equal to sign, type the PV function, and now press the tab, and let's provide the information based on this argument. So for rate we have to select this one. Okay, comma, for NPR, that means number of period, so select this one, comma, for payment we have to select this one but along with the negative sign. So first put the negative sign and then select this one, comma, for future value we have to select this one. Okay, and for type we have a separate cell for this parameter, so select this one, and now press the close parenthesis. And now before pressing the enter key, let's put the negative sign before the PV word to get the value in the form of positive. Okay, and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see we got the same value that is we were used in the first video of this series. If you want to check this, let's go to that sheet. Okay, alright, this is the sheet of our first video, you can see, and under this sheet you can see the value is same, but I think the decimal is changed. Okay, you can see, and you can see. Alright, however we can see that our both the present value amount is same. Okay, it is occurred due to the reason of decimal. Okay, but it doesn't affect, it can be said as same value. Okay, now if you will change the compounding method or deposit time, the value will be affected here. For example, I am going to change the compounding method from monthly to annually. You can see the value here and here and here. Okay, similarly for this one you can see, 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 and similarly for this one you can see. Alright, similarly if I change the value from 0 to 1, you can see. Alright, that means our calculator is working properly. Okay, and it can be said as it is correct. Okay, so guys, we are successfully completed this series of video, and we learned how to calculate each parameters of the time value of money separately in the separate video, as well as we learned how to make the sheet automated as a calculated form. Okay, now if you have any query regarding this video or regarding this the video series, please ask me in the comment box below. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video of series. Signing off.